So yeah, kind of a successful day. I think that this guy here have braked almost everything on that car there. First of all, the updates we did, we will talk about them a little bit later, not today but in another vlog. They seem to work very well. It's a totally different animal to drive. I can handle it a lot better. But the boring part is this first, after a couple of laps, I felt something a little bit weird, and I stopped. It was running on 5 cylinders, and then it died. Couldn't start it, didn't have any compression in one cylinder, so I thought that the engine was gone, but it wasn't. Somehow that one heals itself. Two things that happened at the same time: ignition coil died, or an spark plug. Don't know which of it, but something was, because we didn't have any ignition on cylinder number 5. And at the same time, the oil pressure sensor breaks.
Hur var det med dig att åka med?
Vad hände?
Jag vet inte. Jag saknar kompin och cylinder.
That's why the car died. And those two things happened the same 10 seconds. First we thought that we had no oil pressure in the engine, so we thought the engine was gone, because we were checking the logs that we had no oil pressure. But that was obviously the sensor that broke. So yeah, we changed the sensor, changed the spark plugs, changed the coils, and the car did run again. So out again, and yeah, after that we exploded the whole rear caliper. The ears in the rear trailing arm cracked or something, we don't know, we haven't looked too much. They all we know is that they are not there anymore. And the whole caliper exploded, crashed the whole wheel. So yeah, brake pads, brake hose, the rim, 59 North wheels rim went in 1,000 pieces, because that was like a rocket. So the good thing is that we have spare parts for it. We will go home, fix it, and hopefully we will be at Bimmers of Sweden this Friday. Oh, here we have the birthday kid. Oh. No, not you. Yeah, so Frederick, he did have a lot of work to do today, but he nailed it. As always, yeah. I think that
You did good.
when the car ran, I did good. Okay, yeah. And Jesper have done a lot of filming. That's also good. So yeah, the good thing to sum up this day is that the updates did work, but we have some more things to fix. So yeah, we will be back. Bye bye.